Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to turn on the likes count on Instagram with the latest updated steps. If you've been wondering how to make your likes visible again, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the small profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to open your settings. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Tap that menu icon to bring up more options. This is where Instagram keeps all of the important settings and tools that allow you to customize your experience. From there, scroll down and look for the option that says like and share counts. It might be grouped under a section related to privacy or preferences, so make sure to take a quick look through the list until you spot it. Once you find it, tap on it to open the settings. Inside, you'll see the option to hide or show likes and view counts on your posts. If this feature is switched on, your likes and views are hidden from others and even from yourself in some cases. To make your likes count visible again, all you need to do is turn off the option that says hide like and view counts. As soon as you toggle this off, Instagram will return to showing the number of likes on each of your posts. This small change lets you stay in control of how others view your content. Some people prefer to keep likes private, while others want them visible to measure engagement and connect more with their audience. Switching it on or off is entirely up to you, and the best part is you can always come back to these settings and adjust them whenever you like. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on likes count on Instagram. It's a quick process, but it makes a big difference if you want to keep track of your engagement or let your followers see the support your posts are getting.